Just 3 simple pressure points, each morning. And even after 60, your morning erections can come back. No pills, no pumps, no risky procedures, just your own hands, just a few minutes, and your body's natural power. I'm Dr. Amelia Hayes. I've been a urologist for over 10 years. I've helped thousands of men reclaim their confidence, their intimacy, and their vitality. And here's the truth. Weak morning erections are not just about aging. They are about circulation slowing down. They are about nerves firing weaker. They are about muscles losing tone. But there's good news. You can wake these systems back up. By stimulating the right points, you send powerful signals to your brain, your blood vessels, and your pelvic floor. It's like pressing the reset button on your erection system. Today, I'll reveal 3 points that every man over 60 needs to know. Stay with me, because the third one may surprise you the most. Before I show you where to press, you need to know why it works. Erections are not random. They are a carefully coordinated system. Your brain, your spinal cord, your blood vessels, your nerves, and your muscles, all working together. It starts with nerve signals. Tiny electric messages, traveling lightning fast to your manhood. Those signals tell smooth muscles, relax, let the blood in. Blood flows into chambers called the corpora cavernosa. As they fill, veins close off, trapping blood inside. That's your firmness. Now here's the problem. As we age, blood vessels lose elasticity. They stiffen, they narrow, circulation slows down. At the same time, nerve conduction weakens. Signals don't travel as fast. They don't arrive as strong. This is why, after 50 or 60, morning erections fade. But here's the secret. When you stimulate the right points, you awaken clusters of sensory nerves. Those signals travel to your pelvic nerve plexus, then up to the sacral region of your spinal cord. The erection center. Your nervous system responds. Arteries widen. Blood flows stronger. Muscles support better. It's not magic. It's science, and you can trigger it yourself. Just 3 points. Done daily. No medication required. In a moment, I'll show you the first one. It sits right at the root of your manhood. So how does pressing a small spot on your body make such a big difference? Think of it this way. When you press a pressure point, you don't just move the skin. You activate deep nerve endings. Those nerves send signals straight into reflex pathways that control erections. It's like flipping on a switch. The nervous system says, relax the muscles, open the arteries, let the blood rush in. At the same time, these signals wake up your pelvic floor muscles, the ones that hold firmness in place. So you're not only starting the erection, you're strengthening it too. Imagine resetting a computer, clearing the lag, refreshing the signal. Suddenly, everything runs smoothly again. That's exactly what pressure point work does for your erection system. It bypasses age slowdowns and gives your manhood a direct, hands-on boost. Do this daily, and you retrain your body. Circulation improves, nerves sharpen, muscles respond faster. And the best part? It takes less than 6 minutes. Now let's move to the first point. It's called the base groove, and it's right where your shaft meets your body. The first point is called the base groove. It sits right at the root of your manhood. To find it, slide your fingers along the underside of the shaft toward your body. You'll feel a natural hinge, a subtle groove where the erectile tissue anchors deep into your pelvis. Why is this spot so powerful? Beneath the skin runs a dense web of nerves and blood vessels. The dorsal nerve of the penis. Key vascular junctions that feed blood directly inside. It's like a control hub where your brain, your circulation, and your manhood all meet. By stimulating this groove, you light up both nerve signals and blood flow at the same time. Here's how to do it. Place your thumb right on the groove. Cradle the shaft with your fingers. Use steady, circular motions. Apply moderate pressure, enough to feel the tissue, never enough to cause pain. As you move, warmth spreads, a subtle tingling builds, sometimes even a gentle fullness. These are signs blood flow is improving, Your nerves are waking up. Do this for about 90 seconds, best in the morning before you get out of bed, or in a warm shower, when tissues are relaxed. Stay consistent. Day by day, this groove becomes more responsive, and soon you'll notice morning firmness returning with strength. Now let's move to the second point, a hidden powerhouse most men ignore. The second point isn't on the shaft at all. It's in a hidden, often forgotten spot. The perineum, that soft patch of tissue between the scrotum and the anus. Most men overlook it, but when it comes to erections, it's a powerhouse. Here's why. Right beneath this spot lies the bulbospongiosus muscle. This muscle is key. It traps blood inside the penis, keeping you firm once arousal begins. But with age, this muscle weakens, and firmness slips away too soon. By massaging the perineum, you reflexively activate this muscle. It's like giving it a workout without effort. Here's how to do it. Sit in a chair or lie back with knees apart. Use 2 fingers, your index and middle, and press gently into the center. Not painful. Just firm enough to feel the muscle respond. Make slow, deliberate circles. Stay centered. Keep your touch steady. Within moments, you may feel warmth, a subtle pulsing, even a gentle wave of fullness. That's circulation improving. That's your pelvic floor waking up again. Do this for 2 minutes. And for extra strength, pair it with light Kegel exercises. Together, they train the muscle to contract more powerfully. The result? Erections that last longer and feel fuller. The perineum may be out of sight, but it should never be out of mind. Now let's move to the final point, one of the most sensitive and most overlooked areas of all. The third and final point is right beneath the head. It's called the corona, the ridge where the head meets the shaft. This ring of tissue is packed with nerve endings. In fact, it's one of the most sensitive areas on the male body. Why does it matter? These nerves send powerful arousal signals straight to the spinal cord's erection center. When stimulated correctly, they sharpen responsiveness. They help you transition faster from arousal to full firmness. Think of it like tuning an instrument. When strings are tight and clear, the music flows beautifully. Here's how to do it. Take your thumb and forefinger. Place them gently on either side of the corona. Pinch lightly. Hold for 5 seconds. Then release. Repeat this rhythm for about 1 minute. Next, switch techniques. Make slow, circular motions around the ridge. Gentle, controlled. Just enough to wake the nerves, never to irritate. As you work, you may feel tingling, warmth, or a sharper sensitivity you haven't felt in years. That's your nerves remembering how to respond. Do this for another minute. Consistency is the key. Over time, this gentle training restores nerve sensitivity and makes morning erections come back naturally. Now, we've covered all 3 points, but the real power is when you put them together in a single daily routine. Now let's put it all together. 1 complete routine, just 6 minutes a day. Start with the base groove. 90 seconds. Small, steady circles with your thumb. Feel the warmth build. Feel the tissue soften, then respond. Next, move to the perineum. 2 minutes. Gentle but firm circles. Wake up the pelvic floor. Activate the clamp that holds blood inside. Then finish with the corona. 2 more minutes. Pinch and release. Slow circles around the ridge. Sharpen the nerves. Boost responsiveness. Altogether, that's about 5 to 6 minutes. Done back to back. In the morning before you rise. Or after a warm shower. Think of it as pressing the reset button on your erection system. You're engaging blood flow. You're retraining nerves. You're strengthening muscles. Do this daily. And within 2 to 4 weeks, most men notice changes. Fullness returns. Firmness lasts longer. Morning confidence feels alive again. But remember, this is training, not a magic switch. Your body needs time to relearn the pattern. And when you stay consistent, the results are worth it. Now, To take this even further, you'll want to pair the routine with simple lifestyle habits that amplify the benefits. Gentlemen, the pressure points alone are powerful, but when you combine them with the right daily habits, the results multiply. First, hydration. Your body needs water to keep blood volume steady. Better circulation means stronger erections. Second, nutrition. Foods rich in nitrates like spinach and beets help open arteries naturally. Zinc from oysters, pumpkin seeds, or nuts supports testosterone and sperm health. Third, exercise. Kegel workouts keep the pelvic floor strong. Walking, cycling, or light resistance training keeps blood vessels flexible. Fourth, rest. Deep sleep restores hormone balance. Growth hormone, testosterone. Both peak at night and support sexual function. And let's not forget stress. Chronic stress dumps cortisol into your system. That crushes arousal and slows nerve response. A few minutes of breathing, meditation. Even a hobby you love can reset your stress chemistry. Gentlemen, it's not just one trick, it's a lifestyle. The pressure points wake up your system. The habits give your body the tools to thrive. Together, they create the perfect environment for strong, reliable morning erections. Now let's close with this. Why you should never accept weaker erections as normal aging, and what you can do today to take control back. Gentlemen, you don't have to accept weaker or disappearing erections as just part of aging. Your body still has the ability. It simply needs the right stimulation and support. 3 points, 6 minutes, every day. That's all it takes to retrain your system. Circulation improves. Nerves fire stronger. Muscles hold firmer. Morning confidence returns. And intimacy feels natural again. So here's my challenge to you. Try this routine for 30 days. Then tell me what changes you notice. Leave a comment below, share your experience. And if you have questions, write them down. I'll answer them personally. Because your sexual health isn't just about the bedroom, it reflects your overall health, your vitality, your quality of life. And remember this, the most important step is the one you take today. Don't wait for a prescription. Don't wait for things to get worse. Take action now. Your body will thank you. And so will your partner. Stay strong, gentlemen. Stay confident. And I'll see you in the next video.